हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज अर्श गोयल। तो आज की वीडियो में लेके आ गया हूँ काफी सारी अच्छी स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम्स फॉर मेजरली बीटेक ग्रेजुएट्स। तो इफ यू आर करंटली परसुइंग योर बीटेक, वेदर यू आर इन योर फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, फाइनल ईयर, तो कोई ना कोई इनमें से स्कॉलरशिप डेफिनेटली यू वुड बी एलिजिबल फॉर। तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। ये स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम काफी अच्छे कॉर्पोरेट्स के द्वारा निकाली जाती है फॉर हेल्पिंग स्टूडेंट्स कंप्लीट देयर बीटेक और हेल्पिंग देम विद सम फाइनेंशियल अमाउंट सो दैट दे कैन हेल्प देम विद देयर currently going education. So these are scholarships that are purely based upon your merit, as well as some of them are based upon your financial background. These are by amazing companies जैसे L'Oreal, Nutanix, ACC, Schindler. So बहुत सारी कंपनीज की स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम्स होती हैं एंड दिस इज द पीक टाइम जिसमें ये स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम्स आती हैं एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी आर अनअवेयर ऑफ कि इन स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम्स का फायदा कैसे उठाना है। तो ये वीडियो बेसिकली उस चीज पे फोकस है कि इफ यू वांट टू अप्लाई फॉर दी स्कॉलरशिप्स तो आपको पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी इस वीडियो में। लाइक आई हैव शॉर्टलिस्टेड क्लोज टू 6 to 7 स्कॉलरशिप जो कि मेजरली मेरी ऑडियंस को सर्व कर पाएगी, जो कि आपको सर्व कर पाएगी। तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर कर देना दोस्तों के साथ ताकि सबकी हेल्प हो जाए। कुछ स्कॉलरशिप जैसे फर्स्ट ईयर में आते हैं ना बच्चे, उनको काफी अनअवेयरनेस होती है, तो उनके लिए भी है। तो मेक श्योर कि आप अपने जूनियर्स को पास ऑन कर दो अगर आप एलिजिबल नहीं हो, सो दैट सब लोग इसका बेनिफिट ले सके, राइट। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। तो पहली स्कॉलरशिप है बाय शाइंडर इग्नाइटिंग माइंड स्कॉलरशिप। दिस इज बेसिकली अ रिन्यूअल स्कॉलरशिप फॉर बीई बीटेक 2021 and 2022. Eligibility criteria is basically you should have 70% in class 10, 70% in 12, 60% in diploma. You should be pursuing your undergraduate. Either you should be pursuing your BTech in any of the streams or in chemical or in civil. Like all branches are eligible under first category, and for chemical and civil there is a separate category. All genders are eligible and your family income should be less than rupees 3 lakhs. So the scholarship amount that you will be getting is rupees 75,000 and it is valid only up to 31st October. You have to fill this form before 31st October so that you can get the benefit out of this. These are the details, these are documents that are required, and I'll provide the link to this in the description. You should definitely go and check out. The next opportunity is by ACC Vidya Sarthik Scholarship for BE BTech students. So ACC, it's a company of it's a cement company. Basically it's organizing its scholarship program for BE BTech students. For this qualification criteria is minimum 50% in class 12, minimum 50% in diploma. You should be pursuing your undergraduate and it is applicable to people from all genders with family income less than 5 lakhs. The last day to apply for this is 7th November 2021 and the scholarship amount that they're giving is rupees 30,000. So you can definitely apply for this as well. Next opportunity is by JSW. JSW is organizing its JSW Udan Scholarship for student pursuing full-time BE BTech courses. Eligibility criteria is again 50% in class 10, minimum 50% in 12th and 50% in diploma. What you should be pursuing is BE BTech and your family income should be less than rupees 8 lakhs. The scholarship amount that they're giving is 40,000 and it is the last day to apply for this is 29th October. So definitely you should apply for this scholarship. This is also location specific scholarship, I would say. So if you are in these particular locations, then only you will be eligible for this scholarship by JSW. For all these three, I'll give a common link of Vidya Sarthi website through which you can explore and apply for these scholarships. Next scholarship opportunity is by Scheifler. They are organizing Scheifler India Hope Engineering Scholarship. So this scholarship is basically open to students only from Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, and you can get benefits of up to rupees 75,000 per year for complete duration of your engineering program. Like for every year you will be getting this amount. Your family income for this should be less than rupees 5 lakhs and you should be having 60% marks in your class 12th. And you should be enrolled in your first year of engineering program at any state recognized university. So if your juniors are coming to your college and you know them, so you can tell them about the benefit of these kinds of scholarships so that it would be helpful for them. Next, there's a scholarship by Nutanix. Nutanix is organizing this Heart Advancing Women in Technology Scholarship, particularly for women in tech. So and these are open to all women who are studying engineering in India. The amount that you will be getting under this scholarship is up to $3,000 that will apply to your tuition and fees. So you should definitely apply for this as well. I'm planning on to bring a video soon on how to fill in your application for Nutanix, and I'll bring it very soon, so do check that out also. Next scholarship is by Ericsson. Ericsson is organizing its Empowering Girls Scholarship. So this particular scholarship is for engineering students, particularly girl students across India, and they are having benefits worth rupees 75,000 per year. So talking about the details of this particular scholarship, you should apply to the scholarship by 30th of November 2021, and for this the eligibility criteria is second year engineering girls. So you should be from CSIT and you should be in your second year. So currently the batch of 2024 would be eligible for Ericsson's Empowering Girls Scholarship program, and I would definitely recommend you to apply for the same. Next, I have talked about Relevel in my previous videos also. Relevel is a platform by Unacademy through which you can get a job. Currently, if you're in a final year or if you're looking forward to a job in any of the companies, you can directly select a slot for any of the three categories like backend development, front-end development, and business development. And you can get to your dream job without being from a very high tier college or without having a very great resume. It's just your skills that will matter. And currently, like, different companies are hiring. Current opening is by Paytm. Paytm is hiring through their platform, and the CTC they are offering is more than 4 lakhs per annum in business development particularly. So you can check that out also. Next opportunity, next scholarship is the Tata Capital Punk Scholarship Program for professional degree courses. This is basically for Indian nationals only. You should have, like, they'll be paying 80% of your tuition fees or up to rupees 50,000 per student. So you should be pursuing your undergraduate degrees like engineering, medical, law at any of the universities in India. Your family income should be less than 4 lakhs from all sources. So this is also something that you can look forward to, and the last date is 31st October again. So like only 5-6 days are left, so make sure you apply for all these scholarships you are eligible for. And there is like very high chances, because people are not aware about these opportunities and very less people might have applied. So make sure if you are getting this opportunity, so don't just miss that out. Scholarship is by SBI. State Bank of India is organizing its General Suraksha Support Scholarship for students whose families have been affected by COVID. If somebody from someone's family who has lost their parents or the earning member since January 2020, so they are eligible to apply. You should be a graduation student. You will be getting a scholarship worth rupees 38,500, and for class 9 to 12 students will be getting 29,500 scholarship. So make sure you inform anyone if you know in your locality who could be benefited from this particular scholarship, and they should definitely apply. Next scholarship is by L'Oreal. L'Oreal is organizing its Young Women in Science scholarships, particularly for women who have passed out their class 12th in science stream from India, and they have scored a minimum of 85% in PCM, PCB or PCMB in class 12, family income less than 4 lakhs, and they should not exceed 19 years of age. They'll be getting scholarship sum of up to rupees 2.5 lakhs per annum. So make sure these will be eligible for girl students who will be applying for colleges this year. So if you know somebody, if you know your juniors, so definitely tell them to apply for this. Last date to apply is 31st October for this also. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ कि ऐसा कंटेंट और आना चाहिए नहीं आना चाहिए, एंड व्हाट एल्स वी कैन इम्प्रूव इन आवर वीडियोस. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर लव एंड सपोर्ट. कीप सपोर्टिंग एंड सी यू इन सम अदर वीडियो.